trip to South America for the World Rally Championship as the crews headed once again for the fast-flowing stages of Chile. 16 gravel tests spread over 3 days, and one thing this place doesn't have is any room for error, as Hyundai's Esa-Pekka Lappi found out on the final corner of stage 1 this morning. Hooking his front left into the undergrowth pitched his i20 into a violent roll. Everybody was okay. The same, though, could not be said for the car.
Well, I guess I braked late and there was no chance to make the corner. That's very simple.
Kalle Rovanperä, who could mathematically win the championship this weekend, opened the road. The Finn was, as expected, struggling with cleaning. He managed 5th fastest, 10 seconds off the pace.
It was really dry, much more loose than I expected. I think definitely one of the worst stages I have driven this year, driving-wise also. It was proper shit, everything, to be honest. I don't know, we need to be better on the next one.
Rovanperä's main rival, Elfyn Evans, went 5.1 seconds quicker, enough for 3rd fastest time, slower only to Teemu Suninen and early rally leader M-Sport's Ott Tänak.
Stage is fun, but extremely demanding, and obviously, can't really say feeling comfortable in the car. It's not so easy at the moment, so for sure would like to improve a lot. So let's see.
But after losing the hybrid on stage 2 and surviving this full 360 spin, the Estonian would drop to 3rd overall behind Suninen and Evans. Instead, it was the Welshman who was on a flyer. He won the 2nd stage, and that was enough to take the lead of the rally.
Yeah, it's a pretty fast stage, quite flowing, but yeah, quite okay.
Further back, Thierry Neuville was struggling with the setup of his i20. The Belgian didn't have the confidence to know how the car would react to the differing grip changes, and without that faith in the car, you can never properly attack the road. He lay 5th after stage 3.
It's very scary, to be honest. I'm fighting like hell, and I'm having lots of moments.
Chile was about to claim its next victim. Pierre-Louis Loubet rolled spectacularly out of the rally. His weekend was over. And sticking with the M-Sport Pumas, Grégoire Munster in a Rally 1 car this weekend had his own troubles. Co-driver Louis Luca forgot his pace notebook this morning. If you look closely, you can see him reading from his mobile phone.
Long story short, we don't have the pace notes, so you ask someone to send them by phone, and he tried his best to give them properly, but it wasn't always a success, but at least we will have them for the next one.
Up at the front, Elfyn Evans leading Teemu Suninen by 2.6 seconds, with Tänak just 1/10 of a second further back, but that would all change heading into the afternoon. Evans dropped to 3rd behind Tänak, with Suninen winning stage 4 to lead a rally for the first time since Sardinia 2020.
Was all good. I enjoyed driving, the grip level was higher, so all good.
Stage 5 now, and Takamoto Katsuta was very lucky to get away with this moment. He ended his day 6th overall.
We have a massive moment this one, so I don't know how we could get away from that one, but no.
Meanwhile, Rovanperä was also making mistakes, running wide on the final stage of the day. He returned to service 5th overall, over 38 seconds off the lead.
Anyway, happy to be at the end of the day. It was the second pass was much more demanding than the first pass. There is hard pace on the road, but no line at all. So we are going everywhere. I cannot do much more. It's this stage is definitely worst.
Up at the front, and Suninen's Hyundai had developed a hybrid issue, and he dropped to 2nd. Instead, it was Tänak in the hot seat, the M-Sport man leading by 4.2 seconds, with Evans in 3rd.
Yeah, obviously the jump previous time now I really slowed down a few gears, so I didn't understand. I guess it was just a suspension issue before, so but yeah, I was just to be sure. But yeah, I guess we had to try a bit, so let's see, the next one is crucial one.
It's been a frenetic day one here in Chile, and really, we're only just getting going. Can Rovanperä mount a charge tomorrow? One thing is for sure, Evans will come out all guns blazing. Let us know in the comments who you think deserves driver of the day. We go again tomorrow.